Despite the widespread popularity and prevalence of garlic, this product is not suitable for everyone. In this video, we will look at 8 reasons why you should be careful with the use of garlic. After watching the video, you will understand in which cases it is better to use garlic to improve health, as well as when it is worth paying attention to alternative products. We will also offer some recommendations and discuss the correct dosage in various situations. Have you ever wondered why garlic has become so popular and in demand? It's not just its savory taste, but also its amazing beneficial properties. Garlic not only helps to give dishes a rich taste, but also serves as a real natural healer, strengthening the immune system, fighting viruses and bacteria, as well as improving overall health. However, despite its many beneficial properties, garlic can cause unpleasant reactions and even be harmful to some people. In this video, we will look at 8 common side effects of garlic and find out who should avoid using it. However, we will discuss how to avoid these side effects by following the correct dosage and following some simple recommendations. After all, the purpose of our video is not only to talk about possible risks, but also to offer solutions that will help you continue to enjoy the benefits of garlic without harm to your health. Stay tuned, and you will learn everything you need to safely and effectively use garlic in your diet. Before we get to the main part, don't forget to like this video if you are interested in the topic of health and healthy foods. Your likes help us understand that such topics are important to you and motivate us to create even more useful content. Garlic is able to stabilize blood sugar levels. Studies show that regular consumption of garlic helps to lower glucose levels, which is especially important for people with diabetes or those who seek to prevent this disease. Garlic is known for its ability to regulate and lower blood pressure. Due to its active compounds such as allicin, garlic helps to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which leads to a decrease in blood pressure. This property makes garlic an indispensable tool in the fight against hypertension. The third important property of garlic is its role in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases, heart problems, and strokes. Garlic reduces the level of bad cholesterol, prevents the formation of blood clots, and improves the overall condition of the cardiovascular system. In addition, garlic has powerful antioxidant, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. It helps fight various infections, protects the body from harmful microorganisms, and supports the immune system. These amazing properties make garlic an important element of a healthy diet, but it is important to remember about possible side effects and precautions, which we will talk about now. Not everyone can easily include garlic in their diet. There are certain groups of people who should avoid eating garlic or limit its amount. From allergic reactions to interactions with medications, the side effects of garlic can be varied. Understanding these risks will help you make more informed decisions about your diet and avoid possible unpleasant consequences. Let's look at 8 common side effects of garlic and find out who is at risk and what you should pay special attention to. A side effect of garlic that requires special attention is gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD. This condition is characterized by the return of stomach contents to the esophagus, which causes irritation of its mucous membrane. People with GERD may experience symptoms such as heartburn, burning sensation in the chest area, acid regurgitation, and even pain when swallowing. However, cooking garlic can reduce its activity and consequently the risk of irritation of the esophagus in people with GERD. Thus, heat treatment, including cooking or frying garlic, will reduce the content of allyl sulfides and make it less irritating to the esophagus. It is important to note that each person's reaction to garlic is individual. Some people may experience an improvement in their condition when eating garlic, while others may feel an increase in GERD symptoms. Therefore, It is important to discuss with your doctor the possible risks and benefits of including garlic in the diet in the presence of GERD or other gastrointestinal problems. The second side effect that should be mentioned is the interaction of garlic with blood-thinning drugs. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin and allyl sulfides, which have properties that help to thin the blood and improve its circulation. However, this can be dangerous for people taking anticoagulants such as warfarin or aspirin to prevent thrombosis. The interaction of garlic with these drugs can lead to an increase in their action, which can lead to an increased risk of bleeding or bruising. Patients taking anticoagulants should be especially careful with the use of garlic in food or in the form of additives. Doctors recommend monitoring garlic intake and monitoring for any changes in health status if garlic has been restricted or excluded from the diet. This will help prevent the possible negative effects of garlic's interaction with blood thinners. The third side effect worth mentioning is possible digestive problems when eating garlic. Garlic contains high levels of fructose and sulfur, which cause unpleasant symptoms in some people. Among the main symptoms associated with digestive problems after eating garlic may be diarrhea, bloating, and excessive gas formation. To reduce the risk of these symptoms, it is recommended to consume garlic with food rather than on an empty stomach, which can help reduce its irritating effects on the gastrointestinal tract. It is also worth avoiding garlic supplements in the morning, especially on an empty stomach. The fourth side effect that is worth discussing is a possible decrease in blood pressure and blood sugar levels after eating garlic. Garlic has a hypotensive effect, that is, the ability to lower blood pressure. For many people, this can be useful, especially for those who suffer from hypertension. However, for people with low blood pressure, garlic can exacerbate this condition, causing dizziness, weakness, or even loss of consciousness. In addition, garlic can also lower blood sugar levels, which is problematic for people with hypoglycemia. This condition is characterized by low blood glucose levels and can lead to symptoms such as weakness, dizziness, hunger, and even loss of consciousness. If you have low blood pressure or hypoglycemia, be sure to discuss the possible risks and benefits of eating garlic with your doctor. Your doctor will be able to give you recommendations and tell you how to properly include garlic in your diet to minimize the risks to your health. The fifth side effect that should be mentioned is related to the possible effects of garlic on autoimmune diseases. Garlic has immunostimulating properties that can be beneficial for maintaining the health of the immune system in most people. However, for people with autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, or multiple sclerosis, this has the potential to worsen their condition. The sixth side effect, which is important to mention, is a possible intolerance to sulfur contained in garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that cause adverse reactions in some people. This manifests itself in the form of discomfort in the gastrointestinal tract, headaches, or skin reactions. For some people, sulfur intolerance can lead to bloating, heartburn, or diarrhea. Other people may experience headaches or skin problems such as itching, rashes, or redness of the skin. The seventh side effect that should be mentioned is the possibility of kidney stones formation when eating garlic. Garlic contains oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of calcium oxalate kidney stones in some people. Calcium oxalate stones are the most common type of kidney stones and can cause painful symptoms and problems with urination. For people with a history of kidney stones, it is recommended to be especially careful with the use of garlic. It is important to control your diet and avoid excessive consumption of foods rich in oxalates to minimize the risk of kidney stones. The eighth side effect that should be mentioned is the effect of garlic on nursing mothers and their children. Garlic can have an effect on the taste of breast milk. The use of garlic by a nursing mother can cause the milk to acquire the characteristic smell and taste of garlic. This can affect how the baby reacts to breastfeeding and its milk absorption. In addition, some infants may exhibit allergic reactions to garlic through their mother's milk, such as skin irritation or gastrointestinal problems. This may affect the child's feeding behavior and general well-being. Let's discuss the optimal amount of garlic that should be consumed throughout the day. It is recommended to consume 2 cloves of garlic per day to maintain health and obtain its beneficial properties. This amount of garlic provides a sufficient amount of active compounds to maintain immunity and other beneficial effects on the body. It is important to remember that garlic is best not consumed on an empty stomach. Eating garlic during meals helps prevent irritation of the esophagus and reduces the risk of unwanted side effects. Fresh garlic has a higher concentration of active substances such as allicin compared to heat-treated garlic. Therefore, it is preferable to use fresh garlic to achieve maximum health benefits. When cooking with garlic, it is recommended to let it infuse in warm water for a few minutes before adding it to dishes. This helps to release and activate allicin, which increases its beneficial properties. It is also worth remembering that garlic quickly loses its beneficial properties when heated, so it is better to add it to dishes before completing cooking. Following these tips, you will be able to get the maximum benefit from garlic and avoid possible side effects, enjoying its wonderful taste and beneficial properties for your health. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you are interested in other products that should be avoided or that you would like to learn more about, pay attention to other videos on our channel. We are constantly updating content to help you make informed decisions about your health. We appreciate your feedback. Don't forget to leave comments and ask questions under this video. We try to respond to all your requests and suggestions. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't miss the opportunity to receive updates and notifications about our new videos. Click the subscribe button and the bell to not miss any of our useful content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.